What's up, everybody? So today is the day that we're selling the Toyota Hiace. Let's take a look at the Hiace before it heads out today. One of my friends that I've known for probably 15 plus years stopped by and he wants to buy it for his beautiful girl. So they're super excited about it. It's such a unique little van by Toyota, and I think somebody's gonna be super happy once they get it today. Let's go ahead and check it out. You know, these little videos I do like this, these are like the last time I've ever been in one of these, right? You know, it's that last video of something before it hits the streets and goes off with the new owner. Oh yeah, look at it, the Hiace. Anyways, you know, it really is a unique vehicle. The first day this came in, I was like, whoa, this is cool, you know? And it really is cool. I mean, it's a Japanese van, right-hand drive, 13 ashtrays with curtains. I mean, it's just cool, you know? Now, this one's a two-wheel drive model. They make them in four-wheel drives, and Mitsubishi makes one too. And anyways, I mean, you can find Toyota Hiaces. They are out there for sale here in America. You know, every once in a while, you'll find a place that sells, you know, imported vehicles from Japan. But, you know, I'm just happy that the person buying it is a friend of mine that I've known for a while. And I'm just happy that they're happy getting the car that they want, you know? So, yeah, it's the day that we're selling it. But look at the interior. This thing is clean. I mean, look how clean she is. Seats look like they've hardly ever been sat in. I mean, what a cool little car. You know, this is a great beach vehicle, great commuter. Just something different, something fun. And that's really, to me, what it's all about with the Toyota Hiace, right? Now, if it was four-wheel drive, I guarantee you we'd be having people coming up here buying it because they're going to turn it into some kind of overlanding vehicle for camping and all of that. But to me, this one is, to me, more like the beach cruiser, the commuter, or if you lived in Japan, you know, I could imagine this being at the airport, picking up people and transporting people and all of that, because it definitely does hold a lot of people. All right, so there she is. Another cool Honda over there. Lots of interesting vehicles here at Southern Motor Company. But we're gonna go ahead and pull a little Hiace over to our detail department and get her cleaned up. And definitely want her washed up, looking good before she hits the road with the new owner today. Yeah. All right, there it goes. That is a Toyota Hiace, and that is one cool car. Rock on, brother. Yeah. Off she goes. Another sale here at Southern Motor Company. Thanks for the business. All right, so a little update to everybody. It's a few days later after selling that Toyota Hiace. So my friend ended up driving that car just after buying it, like the next day or so, from here in Charleston all the way to Nashville, Tennessee, Atlanta, and back. Yeah, he stopped by here a few days ago just to tell me all that, and I was like, what? I mean, who buys a 1990 Toyota Hiace and just hits the road and drives it all the way from here to Nashville to Atlanta and back? Well, he did. And he said the car did phenomenal. So that's pretty cool, you know? And to me, that just kind of shows, you know, how the quality of that Toyota Hiace really is. You know, at the end of the day, it's just a little Toyota Tacoma engine and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, it's a Toyota. They're made to last, and that's what it's all about. So he's got a lot of big plans for it, he tells me. Putting a little lift kit on it, bigger tires, getting it repainted, all kinds of stuff. So stay tuned in the future. I don't know when, but it could be a few months from now or a year from now. But one day, hopefully, we'll get the opportunity to do a recap video after he gets done customizing it and all of that. All right, peace.